Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Avengers logo, so let's get started. To draw this Avengers logo, if possible, we need to create a perfect circle, and that's why I'm using this cup as my circle template. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace around it. And I'm starting with a circle because I don't have access to all different sizes of circles. So just by starting with a circle first, it'll determine my logo size, and then it's just a little bit easier to have a circle template to trace from afterwards. So now that I have a circle in, I don't have another, I was looking for another circle template to trace for the inside, but since I can't find anything close, I'm just going to go ahead and wing it. So I'm just going to go ahead and try my best to create another circle in here, just following my outside. So I'm just going to use my outside as a guide and go slowly around to create this border here, this circle around the A. Of course, if you have another circle template that you can use on the inside, definitely use it. And if you have access to all kinds of circle sizes, then definitely draw the A first and then put the circle around it. Okay, so this is going to look, I'm trying my best here. It's always harder because the outside circle is so perfect. And when you try to draw the inside, you can totally tell it's not. Okay, so we have that in now. Now we can go ahead and start with the A. So I'm going to come into this corner right here, and I'm going to first start by drawing this triangle. So I'll just give myself a point. I know I have this A shape right here. So let's just say right here, right in this corner, I'm going to start. And about the same thickness, so about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a straight line. And remember, cuties, we are totally freehanding this, so it will not be perfect. We just want to get a good estimate, a rough idea drawing of the logo. So now that I have this triangle in, I can go ahead and draw my arrow. So just giving myself a little bit of space, and using this same angle, I'm going to go up. And it's going to come out a tiny bit more. And this is still going straight up. And I'm going to create my arrow here. So this being my center, I'm going to say about right here. And if you like to use a ruler, definitely do that as well, if you like. There, I've created the triangle. And then I'm going to skip space again, just like this bottom part. Right there. And go up. So say about right here. It's easier for my hand to come down, so I'm just going to bring this down. About right here. There. Okay, so it'll start to look better once we shade everything in. We want to get the main elements in. So from there, I'm going to come to this point right here and create the slant for my A. So I'm going to bring it all the way down to about this level right here and go right across. And imagining this coming through. So about right here, because that's where it needs to go on this level, go right across. And then we can continue this down. And we're going to pop it out beyond the circle, about that much. Okay, so then let's come back up here, imagining this going through, nice and straight, as best as we can. You can always go in there and adjust it later. And because everything is black here, I don't really care that I'm going through the lines. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a straight line for the top of my A, and about the same thickness as that, I'm going to start to bring it down. So I'm going to basically follow that angle I've created and keep bringing it down. Oops. And like I said, you can definitely make adjustments easy because everything is black. So now that take a look, it looks a little too thin over here. So I'm just going to bring it out a little bit more and beef it up. Maybe I should get a ruler out. I am drawing pretty big. Okay, there, much better. So then down straight line. And that is pretty much it for the logo. So I'm just gonna go in and shade everything in so we can see a little bit better and make any adjustments needed. So they're pretty much done now that we filled it in. Hopefully you can see a little bit better. And what I did notice of the logo with this A right here, it actually gets a little bit wider as we come down. So that's why I went ahead and give it more of an angle. So this bottom part is wider. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and get a whiteout pen, because right here we need to give it some space. So if you're using a pencil, that would definitely be easy. Just erase this area right here. And if you're using a Sharpie like I am, just get like a whiteout pen or white acrylic paint. And let's see, you can make any adjustments with your white. Make everything a little bit sharper. Wait for it to dry. You can go back in with another layer. So they're all done. I really hope I made this freehand drawing of the Avengers logo fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.